welcome to today's tutorial where we'll be learning how to use the featured slider of MyRestaurantTheme.com. And as you know, the featured slider appears on the home page. It's a very prominent featured slider. It looks like this, and at the moment it doesn't have anything in it, but we'll fix that in a second. So on your dashboard sidebar, please go to Slides and Slides. This is where you can see all of the slides that you have on your website at the moment. Now, at the moment we don't have any, so let's create one by pressing Add New Slide here, or you can press it here as well. And let's just call it, I'll also add a short little description. You can also include a Read More button on the featured slider, and you do that by including a link right here. So where it says Select Linking Method, you should click right there, and you can select whether you want to link to an existing WordPress page, category, paste, maybe to a gallery, or you can enter any link you want to. I'll just enter something here, and then you can specify where you want the link to open to, but I'll just keep it at load in the same window. And you can also change the background color of the slider. I'll keep that as it is for now, white, just so I can show you one thing that's really important about the feature slider. And also, the big image that you see in the feature slider has to be uploaded here at the featured image box. You can press featured image, set featured image, and select files. And here is the featured image that I want to upload. Press open and scroll down a bit, and you'll have to press this Use as Featured Image button right here. And now you don't need to press Save All Changes since you pressed Use as Featured Image already. And now you just press the little X right here to close this box, and you'll see that the featured image is all set for this featured slide. And all you need to do now is press Publish. Okay, so let's just go ahead and have a look at our home page. And as you can see, the image has been inserted. Here's our title text, here's our description, and here's the Read More button that directs us to the link that we entered. Now, as I mentioned, there was one color setting that we didn't set. This right here, the background color. That actually changes the color of the background to the left and to the right of your image. As you can see right now, it's black, and we can change that really easily. And what you'll want to do, you'll want to fade out all of your featured images. So the side of the image right here, it's basically just one color, and you can enter that color to be the background color of your feature slider, and that'll have a really nice effect. So I'll just go back here, and I'll just quickly enter the background color that I have with my image and press update. And now if I go back and refresh the home page, you'll see that it looks much nicer, it looks much more fluent. Now we're providing a tool for you to fade out the side of your images. It'll be in a Photoshop file, and there will be a separate tutorial on how to do that as well. Okay, now I'm just going to upload a couple of new featured slides real quick. Now, as you can see, I uploaded 3 new slides, and you can see your existing slides by going to Slides right here in the sidebar. And you can also change the order of these slides, so the order in which you want them to appear. And the first one, I didn't give it a title, but I'll show you why in a second. You can still grab it and reorder it any way you want, and press Update. Now, if I go back to the home page and press Refresh, you'll see that the new slides have been added. Since you see these 3 little dots right here, that means you have 3 slides at the moment. This is the second slide that I added, and this is the third slide that I added. And as you can see on this slide, I have a title, I have a description, but I don't have a Read More link. And basically all I did was I didn't enter a link on the Read More field. And with the second one, this is the one where I didn't enter a title. So if I go back to the slides, and here you can see that there is no title. So I didn't enter a title, I didn't enter a site description, I didn't enter the Read More link. All I did was change the background color of the feature slider. And you can see that you can play around with this nicely, and you can use this as an advertisement for your own restaurant. You can use it as a promotion or whatever you feel like. Okay, so that's about it for the sliders. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and make sure you watch all the other tutorials as well. Bye!